Aside from being the world's greatest dad, my dad is also the world's greatest volunteer. His whole life, he has given himself to worthy causes.
Neil, as his brothers and sister will tell you, they all called him Mr. Perfect because he literally never walked out the door without saying, "Mom, can I do something before I leave for you?" Nobody ever said that.
So both Neil and Maria are co-chairmen of the Barbara Bush Houston Literacy Foundation. They founded the organization and lead the organization, so they provide the vision.
He loves Houston, and he's recognized the fact that people in Houston want to give to something that will give back to Houston.
What do you think the most important skill that you can develop early in your life in order to be successful and to realize your fullest God-given potential as a human being? Yes, reading, listening, comprehending, articulating, being able to communicate is the most important skill.
As chairman of Points of Light, one of my visions, or not visions, but one of the greatest dreams I have is that every institution, including corporations and faith organizations and families as an institution, develop service as a culture, as part of the culture, as part of what the expectation of being part of that institution is. You're going to go serve somehow. And I think my parents have done a fabulous job of developing a culture of service for us as kids and now the next generation, the grandkids. And so the fact that my two adult non-schooling kids, the only two that are out on their own right now, have found a pathway to serve others in their full-time life is really a reflection that we've got a culture in the Bush family that basically is all about service.
My life is better because of Neil Bush, but importantly, our country and this city is better because of my dad and his constant involvement and his constant ability to come in as a point of light and make a difference. He has a pure servant's heart.